How to log into Threads by Instagram. So for that you need to just open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Threads, and after installing this app just click on open, and now it will ask you whether you want to log in with your existing Instagram account, or in case if you want to switch your accounts, just click on switch accounts right at the bottom. And over here, if you want to choose one of the already existing Instagram account, then just simply click on that particular account and you will be logged into your Threads app. And in case if you want to use another Instagram account which is not associated with your Instagram account as of now, you can just simply click on log into another Instagram account. After that, use that account to log into your Threads app. Let me just select one of the already existing accounts that I have logged into Instagram. Now it has sent a login request on our Instagram account. We need to open up our Instagram. And on my Instagram account, I have been notified that a device is requesting to access to login. Just simply select it. And after that, you will be able to see this option of approve or deny. You just approve the request from here, and then you would be able to access the Threads app. And this is how you log into Threads app by Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.